It just stormed here in Chicago. I got a bunch of debris on my lawn and I gotta mow it. There's a few things that I like to do before I start. Throughout the years of me mowing low, I developed my own personal checklist that I like to adhere to before each and every mow. The first thing that I like to do is clean up all the debris on the lawn. Believe it or not, this has become one of the most useful tools that I have in my garage when it comes to maintaining my shortcut lawn. This is an easy reach pickup tool, and I use this to pick up all the large chunks of debris, any wood chips that may come out of the mulch beds, any pieces of paper that may be flying out of my mower. Look, I'm out here on my lawn every day picking up trash, and to be honest with you, this thing is absolutely clutch when it comes to picking up debris that comes flying on my lawn, because I'm not about to go out there every day on my hands and knees and pick this stuff up. A big problem that I have is worm castings. No matter how much I try to keep up with it, these little buggers always drop their little worm patties all over my lawn. The easiest solution I found to this is to wait till they dry a little bit and then lightly rake them. If anybody has any other recommendations on how to deal with the castings, let me know down in the comments. The next thing I like to do is trim an edge. I like to do this before I mow because if I don't, I'll just get too lazy afterwards. I like to use this still edger. I haven't upgraded yet to the Ego Power Plus edger head yet, but it's on my list of things to do. But to be honest with you, this thing works like a beaut. Man, I just found out that my edger needs its blade replaced right in the middle of my video. Now, if you don't mind, I'm gonna go finally enjoy the mow because it's about to get dark outside. Peace.